One of the curious things with Thomas is that I've been trying to get him to play, and it's almost like he doesn't understand, which is really weird because even if if humans never played with him before, you think he's going to react to, the flying feathers. And so I've tried things. Once in a while I will catch him. I have these balls all over the place. I caught him batting around a couple of these this morning, so that was a good sign. The biggest play moment I've had with him was 2 or 3 days ago, where I got two things out of him that I was trying to get. One, play, and two, to use the scratching post. I was able to have him chasing the dot first, and then projected it onto the scratching post, and once he got on the scratching post, then he realized, oh, this is a really good thing. Now, he hasn't been back there since that time, so we'll probably do it again while I'm here.
Mm-hmm.
But also, this Chewy box here is filled with toys.
You know, he was absolutely looking up at you when you were talking to Son the whole time.
He responds to my voice.
Oh my gosh.
So, I thought we would do a video of our unboxing. It's not the usual kind of unboxing that you're probably going to see on YouTube, but I might be wrong about that.
Oh, you little silent mouse. Okay. What is it, Thomas? It's okay. It's okay, sweetheart. There's no need to be afraid. Yeah. Look what Dad's doing. Just look over. It's full of treats for you. Yeah. You don't have to run away. You're not running away. You're just being cautious. Yeah. Round of applause. I love it when they're bored and you realise you're doing it for yourself, and they're like, "I'm over this, mate. Haven't you cottoned on?"
That
It's
could be
hilarious.
right there. That could be the most interest he's shown in play, the longest he's shown it. So, what's different today? Well, he's gotten loaded with treats. He's gotten company that he loves, and he's in a really good place right now. So, and I must say that it was almost like there was a threshold he had to get of comfort before feeling loose enough to to let go and play.
Yeah.
So let's see what this
Okay, Thomas, this is all for you,
what
mate.
this new stuff.
Hey. Thomas, there's a big box for you, sweet pea.
This
Look.
this stuff is in here. Is here for you.
The way he looks at you. Sweet angel. Oh, there you go. Oh, okay, Dad. What have you got for me, please?
Let's see.
Here we go, nice and slow.
Oh, well, the first toy.
This paper. What a good boy. You're so brave.
So, there is this. I think it's bouncy. I'm gonna go over for some love. This is taking too long.
He's like, what the hell's he doing? Just get on with it. Show it to me. Make it work. And I'm all there. You are cheeky. Yeah. Your dad is working so hard and wrapping all of that. Oh, the disdainful, I'm not interested, washing. Yes, you are. Come on. Come. Papa?
It's tied. I think we're gonna have to pass on this one for now.
Yeah. Hey, big guy. Come. Oh, you are so cheeky. Yes. Come, this is for you. Yeah. Not everyone gets big boxes of presents.
Look how interested he is, though.
I mean, he's not running away.
No.
I mean, it's not even...
Just the fact that he's showing interest in that is
Yeah.
more than I could get him to do before.
And it hasn't even been unwrapped properly. Just you wait. Okay. Oh,
So
do you
there's
want to try the
yeah.
dancer? Do you need it under things?
So I actually thought this was going to have a longer elastic.
Oh my gosh. He just pulled his paws away from it. Bless him. So he doesn't get this.
He doesn't get that.
He doesn't get this, but he may get it.
There's a number of
Some of them get it if you, well, you know.
there's a number of toys he didn't get. So that's
When you
why I
put
was
it
like
under
curious to know
things.
why. But
Oh.
we'll get there. Now this one I thought was going to have a longer elastic. It's kind of a funny looking thing.
I think we have a winner.
That might be. Oh yeah. He just gave it a little nibble. I wonder if there's catnip in that one. He's very sensitive just to the smell. But he doesn't have to eat it. He just gets one. Oh, yeah, that might.
He's really working my stomach muscles here.
You want to?
No, it's funny. He loves it. I'm not even doing anything. That's it. He's off. Okay, you have a winner.
I don't see that it says here that there's
Is it
catnip.
infused?
It doesn't say.
Well, even better then, right?
Oh, look at
He loves it. He's gonna do bunny kicks on it.
I'm telling you, this just hasn't happened to the extent it's happening. Look at this. Oh,
Get that.
yes.
You get that
There is a kicker toy in here.
thing.
So
Whatever
he
it
likes
is.
kicking.
Good boy. Yeah.
Buy it.
Look at him. He's just completely going bonkers
I mean,
with
he's
it.
just doing it on his own without us even.
No, we don't need to do anything. That, the one you showed me, that Heidi. Oh, sweetheart. Like he'd killed it for me.
Oh my gosh.
So sweet.
Kicker toy, but
Look at you. He's a happy boy. I didn't even get to see. I don't even know what that is. Is it a mouse?
I think it's a mouse.
A mouse with little bits of
Look at him.
safe
What?
string on it? What does the packet say?
Not much.
He's a happy boy.
Bouncy mouse teaser toy.
So, but no mention of catnip.
It doesn't say.
Oh my gosh. He's delighted. I don't want to stop him now.
I do want to tease though and play.
Mm-hmm. Dad, what are you doing?
But you're not going to come after it?
No.
Okay. Here's,
No, I want it. I
here's
want it
the
right
next
here.
item.
He said, give me back my mouse.
Here's the next item. Look, he's already responding. It has.
Hey.
No, let me try something.
Go on, you go ahead. No. Smooth.
I think I might be able to get him just a bit. Yeah, let's get a shot at this.
I hate you. You stole my mouse.
Oh no, he does look a little dejected. I'm sorry, Thomas. Oh
I
no.
hate you.
Oh no.
You've ruined
I've
my
lost him.
life.
I've lost
You've
him.
ruined my life.
You're trying to get me to play and then you take the toys away. Alright. I'm sorry. I just wanted to get through the box and show you all the toys.
Are you so okay?
It's like that was the one that I really liked. Look at this. Look at this.
I hate you.
Ah.
I hate you now. No.
Oh, I've just ruined everything.
Oh, I love how contrary they are. Sweet pea.
Sweetie, you know what will change the mood completely?
What?
Oops, sorry. See?
Oh my goodness. Silent meow. Oh.
This is how I turn it.
Does he even crunch them?
Yeah, he does. Did you, here's the, yeah, we're are the rest of the treats?
Oh, oh. Oh.
These have to be catnip infused. This is how he reacts to it.
Great.
Good. We're on to something
All right,
here.
so we've got 2. Good, he's going to spend his time killing that now.
So I also have... Look at him. Wow.
He's busy.
Yeah, he's busy.
Good choice, Lon.
Well, I figure a kicker toy, the bouncy toys.
Oh, the crinkle is great. Get it. Go on, you kick it. There he goes.
So 20 minutes ago I'm saying, well, he doesn't play, doesn't respond to toys that well except for the laser pointer, and now you've made a fool out of me.
And it's a really good reminder to people who say, my cat doesn't play, which
Right.
my family have said about their cats
Right.
because they haven't presented them with a selection.
Right. Well, it's not even just selection, it's how you use the toys, too. Which brings me to this,
True.
because I got 2 of these. Basha wanted one, too. And they were... It's okay, honey.
It's alright, Boo-Boo.
It's very sweet. Here.
Okay.
Here. Here.
Good boy.
I don't really use toys like this. And I got one a long time ago for Lewis and Dillard, and they liked it for a day, and then wanted nothing to do with it.
Should we hook it up and then...
But I would rather... I want control of the toy. But we're just trying to figure out everything, and I just
Yeah.
wanted a variety of stuff. That,
and also you don't have to do it all in one day.
Right.
So.
All right, do you want me to open this? I don't know how long it's going to take to set up. Oh, these. Here, let's bring these out. These are the crinkly balls. Yeah. Look at, he's just interested.
Yeah.
This is like going from one extreme to another. Maybe he's just comfortable enough now. And we got him in the mood with the treats. And yeah, these make sounds. You like these sounds. Got 4 of those. And then we also have these.
Throw one in his cage and see whether he wants after it. Where did it go? Go get it. No. think it's all just treats, little man.
And these are the, and these are all intertwined, so it's going to take me a while to undo these, but you know, the springs, there's actually work involved. Oh, you're going to check it out? Yeah, check it out.
And then remembering that the box.
And then this, it's pretty good. This is all yours.
You're just a spoiled boy. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Just a spoiled baby. Come down. Come down. Look to see what's happening. Yeah. Look. Oh my goodness me. My guys haven't had those in ages.
You know, I think I had one once, and these have instructions. I'm going to have to put this together, but it's also got butterflies on top, so that he can bat around.
That's
So,
going to be wonderful.
so I'll make this. But
oh, he's already into it.
yeah, I'm just so happy that he is showing interest, the interest that he is.
He's like, please put this together right now. Okay.
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 All right, we'll do it.
All right. Okay, we'll put it together.
Yeah.
Come on. Who's that? Come on, Dad. How do you do it? Mousey back.
Here we go.
He's in charge of the mouse while you do that. There we go. Look, long. He's forgiven you.
Yeah, I won't do that again.
Don't dare. It's some kind of mutant mouse. Yeah. Do you like that? Yeah. Thomas, don't tell us you're too tired to play now.
No, his eyes are wide open.
Good. Get it. Get it.
He's getting a little tired.
I think he's tired.
That's the most, well.
I think he's stuck it out.
Okay, so you've been here for what, about an hour?
Yeah.
So he's dealing with inviting you into the house, getting used to you. He has played, and that's fantastic. I'm so happy about this. And now he's just kind of, and he's had catnip. And
he almost went for that game, but he just
his eyes were wide open, but then they started to close. It's like I'm just a little too tired right now.
I've got my mousey and I'm fine, thank you.
So I'm really happy. I mean, I haven't even opened a couple things in here.
That's so great.
But he has reacted to the kicker toy really nicely and
Yep.
to the bouncy mouse. This one he'll go for because he was just showing interest in it. This is good.
This is so great. I'm so happy.
This is really good. I'm happy too.
And then he had another real rally on the scratching pad.
Really good one, yeah.
Yeah. I'm so happy. Well done. You're such a good boy. Oh, Lon, that was so much fun.
We're on the way with the play thing, so I'm much more encouraged about that.
Yeah. Well, the environmental enrichment program is going well.
It is. It is. Okay, Thomas. I guess you want to take a nap right now, and that's okay.
Sleepyhead. Thank you. Thank you for making me feel so welcome. Oh, okay. What is it? Oh, thank you.
Are you having a little revival?
Are we having second wind here? What's going on? Do you want to look at your new toy? No? Bring me my toys. Would you like your mouse delivered to you? Just to be on the safe side? Oh no, I think you're alright with that. Okay. Final words.
Success.
Son?
Yeah. We've now I'm really excited to see what he's going to do after this, after having seen that. But we just passed a threshold. So life's pretty good right now, right? Yeah. Yeah, that was a good one. He is going to be a good head bunter. His purr is so soft. You have to be up close to hear it, but he's purring now. It's very soft. We'll figure that one out.
That's so sweet. Okay. Okay. I am chickenless. I'm sorry, sweetheart.
There's more to come.
But I love you for coming to say night-night. He's happy.
He's happy. He's a happy cat.
Mm-hmm.
So there we go. Thank you. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.